First, make sure that you have Audacity open. If your microphone is not working or you cannot hear the playback through your headphones, start by going to the menu bar and clicking on Audio Setup. Here, you will see a few options. If your issue is with audio playback, hover your mouse over Audio Playback and select your headphones from the options that appear. If your problem is with the microphone, hover your mouse over Recording Devices and select your headphones. If you do not see your headphones in any of the options, click on Rescan Devices. This should refresh the list and fix your issue. If the problem still persists, go to the Windows taskbar, right-click on the sound icon and select Sound Settings. In the settings, make sure that the correct input and output devices are selected. Once you have done that, go back to Audacity and check if your headphones are now working. That is how you can fix your headphones in Audacity.